Doing another one of these, which class of food is responsible for giving the body a concentrated source of energy, acting as an insulator to prevent heat loss? Fat, because fat sucks in heat. I don't know, if you're fat, you have more basic coding, I guess, like a sheep, you get hot from that. That's not how it works, but who cares? Which of the following factors does not typically determine a person's daily requirement for a balanced diet? I I, I feel like this is obvious. I I don't think anyone could mess this up. Eye color? In the human digestive system, what is the specific role of the hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach? It's to like neutralize the gallbladder, to provide an acidic medium for the action. I don't know what any of these mean. I I I guess you. Oh, require a low pH environment to provide an acidic medium. I don't understand any of this. Wow, okay. To provide an acidic medium, the medium level of acid that's supposed to be in your body to burn you up. I, okay, so to provide an acidic medium. What is an acidic medium? An acidic medium is like when it's lower than 7, often ranging from 0 to 6. Okay. To provide an acidic medium. Protease is like the protein guy. Oh, whatever. Which structural adaptation of the small intestine is critical for maximizing the rate of absorption of digested food? Okay, hold on, I need to... Wait, what? Oh, wait, no, I don't want to delete that. Which structural adaptation of the small intestine... What the small intestine critical for maximizing... Okay, how does the small intestine suck the goodness out of food better? The presence of finger-like
Finger?
oh right, these ones, right, because they got like hairs and stuff to like have surface area, so there's more surface in a small area, so they can absorb more of the goodness from your food, so they can work your body properly. How does an infectious disease differ from a non-infectious disease? That's simple enough. Infectious disease is basically your fault. It got into you. Wait, no. Infectious disease is because of like the flu or something. They break into your body. They just break into your home and invade. Non-infectious diseases are like because you didn't do things good, like you ate too much sugar for diabetes or something, or too less, whatever, lifestyle stuff. And also it may be a generational curse, so like genetics and stuff. Non-infectious diseases cannot be treated with medication. They can, but it's not like... Damn, I'm stupid. They can. Anyway, infectious diseases are caused by lifestyle choices. No. Non-infectious... No. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Yeah. There you go. Which of the following example is an example... Which of the following is an example of an animal vector that transmits an infectious disease? Okay, which of the following is an example of an animal that passes an infectious disease onto other people? So like an animal gives you sickness in basic sense. And 80s. So like the mosquito bites you when you get sick and stuff. That is the infectious, because it infects you like a zombie. Anyway, what happens during the process of phagocytosis? I'm gonna have to look that up. Phagocytosis is a specialized form of endocytosis where cells, primarily immune cells, like what are these words? Engulf large particles. I don't know what this symbol means, such as bacteria, dead tissue, or foreign debris. What? You eat a building or like such as? Anyway, by surrounding them with a plasma. I don't know what a plasma membrane is. Actually, you know what? I think I get it. Creating a phagosome. Phagos for digestion via lysosomal fusion. I don't know what any of these words mean. It is a critical, non-specific defense mechanism that maintains tissue. So it's like oh. So they just fuse and traps foods and stuffs. That's fine with me. What happens if the process, the skin. Screw you! Engulf, right. Should have seen that. And digest invading pathogens. Phagocytosis is a cellular process where phagocytes identify, surround, and destroy foreign particles or microbes. So, they see an enemy, they wrap their arms around it, and kill it. With a loving hug. Alright, which type of immunity is acquired when a person receives a vaccine? Natural, passive? Vaccine should be artificial something. Containing weakened artificial. Active? The body is tricked into working. Active. I think? Passive? Active. Vaccination is an artificial method that stimulates the body's own immune system. Great! Which enzyme is responsible for the chemical digestion of starch into maltose in the mouth? Maltose. Screw you! Salivary amylase, whatever you... produced by the salivary glands. The amylase begins the chemical breakdown of complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. What? Your saliva begins the chemical breakdown of complex stuffs into simpler sugars. So your saliva atomizes the food you eat, and it's sent into your body to help you out. Understandable enough. What's the primary consequence of a diet consistently lacking in vitamin C? Primary consequence of a diet consistently lacking? Scurvy. Heck yeah! Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Its absence leads to scurvy. Remember, kids, eat your oranges. This is worse than the quiz I took before. Well, I guess it's reasonable enough. Ain't that right? Neutralize alkaline bile. I still don't understand this. The bile is actually responsible for it. Cool. Yeah. That's it. Full stop. Period. There you go. Hooray. Yeah. Yeah.